In addition to the improved appearance that is consistent with other ACCTEK series, the new machine is also designed with a smaller size to save space. The control platform is equipped with an air pressure alarm device, which can detect whether the machine is connected to gas and the air pressure. When an alarm sounds, the machine will be controlled to stop working. The displayed air pressure can also be used to determine whether the pressure of the auxiliary gas during welding is appropriate.